So I'm gonna install the Remark mid pipe resonated, non-resonated actually, on my 2019 WRX. I currently have the Axle-back installed. Gonna do the mid pipe now. Do it back before and after. I'm sorry, I'm fucking sick. I'm really sick. And see how it goes. Sheesh, first startup in 2 weeks. So this is how it sounds right now. For some reason the video cut out short, but that's how it sounds right now. There it is. Remark. FedEx. Fuck you. I have so much problems with FedEx, bro. I swear to God. There's always issues with FedEx. Always, always, always. Always. I hate them. I'm sorry, I'm using my phone. I don't even have I don't have a camera. My knife. My handy dandy knife. There we go. The fucked up box. This shits were sold out for the longest, dude. Oh. Gosh. Look at this. Look at this. Welds. Look at those welds. Look at that. Hell yeah. Oh. Remark. I like mine better. Reality Kings, Monster Curves, subscribe. $9.99 per month. Best point you'll ever see. That's beautiful. Look at this. That's nice. That's nice for sure. That's nice welds. Ooh. Beautiful. I mean, you could just tell the difference. Look how thick that one is. Oh, those came from Remark too. And look how skinny that is, dude. Look at all that restriction. I can only imagine the downpipe, but we'll get that later. I need to put maybe some extra protection. Ooh, spider web. Maybe some extra protection in case it does fall. I mean, I do got those stands, but maybe I should put some wood and stuff. Better safe than sorry, man. It ain't worth your life. So it comes with license plate, 4 gaskets. I'm assuming these are 2 for the front, the back, two for right here, 1 in the middle, very front. Oh, that one's kind of larger than the other ones. and bolts and nuts. Pretty easy, pretty simple. Should be fairly easy. Something about just brand new boats that turn you on. All right, let's start. Look at the difference in this. When they say size doesn't matter, size for show matter. Look at the girth on this. God damn. Anyways, let's start off by taking off these bolts. ¿Eh? ¿Tú no qué? Pues tú gastas dinero también. Ya, en todas cosas, madre.
El que se traga, nomás.
Ajá.
Ajá.
Está bonito, ¿no?
Pues sí, pero ¿para qué gastas dinero, cabrón?
Moms, they don't understand. 2 small exhausts, 1 medium exhaust. I believe this one goes, the one that connects to the J pipe, because it's just bigger, and I feel like since the other one already has that that gasket that's inside with the exhaust, I believe this one goes on top of it. We'll see. Try and error. I believe this one goes in the middle. These go right there, and we are good to go. Okay, it's fully installed. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Let's hear how it sounds. Honestly, it kind of sounds the same. Maybe because I already have the Remark, but we'll see once I'm driving. Once I'm putting a lot more airflow through it. But honestly, I like it. It's nice. We shall see. In all honesty, it sounds the same. Maybe a little bit more deeper of a tone. Maybe I don't really get that experience since I already had the Axle-back. But I'm gonna do some sound clips for you guys right now. Can't really hear it right now, but it's pretty quiet, to be honest. Not that much of a difference from just having the Axle-back. We'll see once I get my downpipe. Oh, okay, it's a little bit louder. Yeah, definitely. Hell yeah. keeping the phone slightly low so I don't get pulled over. Oh yeah, sounds nice, man. Then again, you're never gonna hear everything you hear through the phone. Obviously, you're gonna experience it a lot better once you have it on your car. But it sounds amazing. I love it. So we're just cruising right now, 36 miles per hour. The drone is fairly low when you're cruising within city limits, but it is significantly higher once you're going 70 miles an hour. We're just gonna cruise for a bit so you guys can hear it. It does sound amazing. You do hear the crackles and pops more. And I am on just the off the shelf tune from Cobb, just for my Cobb big SF intake. That's where I got the tune off of. The Stage 1 Plus, I believe it is. Probably better at wide angle, huh? The drone ain't too bad. Don't really hear it that much. Oh my god, that's a nice truck. Damn, I want a truck, man. I do have a Stage 1 Plus tune, since I do have a cold air intake from Cobb. We're just gonna do a little bit of cruising. It's super hot today, man. It's 103 degrees outside, so I kind of don't want to speed. But you know what? Fuck it. Something blows up, you can always fix it. Don't have the money to do it, but we can always fix it. I was in Mexico for 2 weeks visiting family. Got really dusty and dirty in here. Oh, and I also have the shift stopper, I believe the Perrin, and I do have the Perrin shifting bushing, which just sounds so much. It sounds so nice. Way crisp. Get some crispy shifts in. Baby, sounds nice.